Hi, I'm Nandini Ashok. I'm the director of Sri Pavitra Arts Academy. The uniqueness of this academy is that we are an occasional training institute. We just do not teach dance, we teach the history of dance. That is the theory of dance and also how it is expressed by the children. Now I think we should see the video of our children performing.
Two, eight, eight, five, down, eight, eight, five, eight, eight, five, down, eight,
Now that you have seen the video of the children performing, the method of adopting the equation for the children is, one is for the footwork, we use the mathematical calculation because it is very important for them to know the tal that we have used and how it can be related to the equation of maths. The second, when it comes to the Abhinaya portion, that is the expression, we use the method that they bring out their own inner self to express, because the expression from their inner self becomes the experience for the audience. By relating to all this, they keep on coming back to us even when they grow up. Tai tai yong ka ta kida ta ta tai tai yong ka ta kida ta ta de ta kida ta tai ta tai kida ta ta de ta kida ta tai ta tai kida ta ta de ta tai tai ta de ta tai tai ta de ta tai. Now again you saw how the adults are adopting to this format, because according to me there is no age limit for a dancer. Everybody, when we are young, we have all learnt dance. Due to circumstances you give a gap, but it doesn't mean that you cannot come back to dance. Or if you want to start as a fresher, that you just, because the soul is always dancing, so anybody can learn dance. That is how when you grow up you still can start learning to dance, and that is how in Sri Pavitra we do train mothers who are so passionate to be a dancer themselves. And now you should also hear how the children are so passionate about this lovely art form.
Hi Ritika.
Hi.
So being a student of Sri Pavitra Arts, what do you feel about dance?
Dance, I've always been passionate about dance since I was like 6. I did Bharatanatyam, then I left it, and now I'm back to it after 8 years. Because I think dance, it gets a lot of grace in your body. Like generally, if you want to be graceful in any kind of art, I think classical dance is what gets that.
I think dance is like one of my passion. It makes your body very graceful.
I'm Aditi Vasantraj and I'm 8 years old.
And I'm Shreya Srinivasan and I'm 11 years old.
And we love dancing and we love Sri Pavitra Arts Academy.
See, today's children are very confident and they are very clear about what they want to learn, how they want to express and how they want to carry themselves. But we need to give them a format, because they are very clear about what is this profession, if they are going to take up to dance, is going to do for them. That is how I made Sri Pavitra into an academy as a trust, and in fact Sri Pavitra it has become an occasional art school, and where we have administrations carried out, and we also conduct events through our academy by bringing in artists from different parts of the country and also from the different parts of the world. With all this, we give a full-fledged format to the student to carry themselves in this art form, not only as a mere performer or a dance teacher, also to become an event manager to bring in this art form live.
I'm Lakshmi Raj from Shri Pavitra Arts Academy. Right now I'm taking care of the Andheri branch, that is the Killabri, which is the Killabri. I'm really very passionate about dance. Dance is something that really enlightens me, and moreover when I teach the kids, it's really wonderful and a very fulfilling experience. And since our academy has always believed and aimed and always looked at enhancing this art and making this art form more aware to the people, so that people really sit up and acknowledge how this wonderful art, this beautiful culture is.
Hi, I'm Sudha. I am into this academy, Shri Pavitra Arts Academy. I'm one of the trustee, as well as I take care of the administrative portion. I joined this institute as a parent, one of the parent. I brought my daughter here for the dance class, and slowly I am so interested in dance and music and any these kind of cultural activities. So slowly I started getting involved in this academy.
I'm Mrs. Maho Bhattacharya, a pre-primary teacher all my life. Nandini Ashok's children have been my students, and so I have been associated with Shri Pavitra Arts Academy. It's a fantastic academy where children get an all-round development, from learning about our mythology, about our background, from where we come from, to walking up to the stage and talking on the mic, which needs a lot of strength and guts to do. So these children get confidence, which helps them in the future life. The dance form itself teaches them to different movements, which helps in their physical development. It's physical, mental, emotional, and gives confidence. So I think Shri Pavitra Arts Academy is doing a wonderful job in bringing up children who are learning the best of everything and growing up to be fantastic individuals and adults who will help our country in the future. Thank you.
Now you have seen the entire video of our presentation of what is Shri Pavitra is all about. As the parents have expressed, as we as teachers, we have made sure that we have taken every interest of every child into consideration, and here we only give the technique. The skill of the dancer is brought live. According to me, as a director, as a performer, as a teacher, I always feel dance is nothing else but the knowledge of your own soul. So if you are able to relate to our soul, the best form of method of expression is dance. Thank you very much for watching our lovely video, and I would really appreciate if you can look through our other videos to have more information about the School of Shri Pavitra Arts Academy. Thank you very much.